Hello, this is Miss Russ. Today I'm going to tell a story about when I went to a park. So this is a map of the United States. Zoom in. Let's see. Okay, so we live in Iowa. The state is Iowa. Here you can see Iowa. Here's Des Moines. That's where I'm from. And here is Marshalltown. This is Marshalltown. And if you drive, if you go north, go up north in a car for 2 hours and 32 minutes, 142 miles, you can go to a city. The name of the city is Decorah. In Decorah, there are many parks. I went to a park in Decorah in the summer, in August. I went camping with my friend. And we first went to drink coffee. We got coffee. And then we went to the park. You can see there's water at the park. You hear the water? Yeah, and you can see there's a river with the water behind the trees. There were many trees, lots of water. You can see the rocks. There are lots of rocks at the park in the water. Look at this. These rocks make a bridge across the water. I really liked this park. I like the rocks. I like the water. I like the park. Here's a bridge. I like the bridge. We had a fire. I like to see the fire. But be careful, the fire is hot. But yeah, it's a beautiful park. You can see the trees, the rocks in the water. It's a beautiful park. So, now we are going to read and write about a time that I'm going to write. I wrote this about when I went to the park. After me, then you will do it. So, listening to the sounds of nature made me think of the time I was at the park with my friend in August. I remember seeing the rocks and the trees. I remember hearing the sound of the water. I remember tasting the coffee. I remember touching the rocks, the trees, and the water. I remember smelling the fresh air. This memory makes me feel happy because I was at the park with my friend. I love my friends. I love the park. I love summer. I am happy. Thank you. Bye.